Yo, today we are going to create something like this. So let's get started. Create a spline object and change the size to 2 so that we get a straight line, and change the rotation to 90 degrees. Also change the spline radius to 400 cm to increase the length, and change the interpolation to subdivided. Now we are going to create a cloner object and put this line under the cloner and change the settings like I am doing. For this video I am setting the count amount to 50, but you can increase it to higher amount for better results. Now I'm gonna create a text object so that I can use it for the force field. I'm using the basic bold font, but you can use any font you like. Now add a rope simulation tag on the cloner object and leave the settings as default. Now go to the scene simulation settings. You can press Ctrl D, go to scene and change the gravity to 0. Increase the timeline and we can play. But as you can see, nothing happens. We need to add some force. Go to the simulation menu and add a field force. Now drag the text spline into the field area like this. Change the distance mode to radius and increase the radius amount to 50. Now go to the direction and change it to normalize and take the invert direction option. Increase the strength to 50 and play. As you can see, a lot is happening now, so we don't want this. Let's add some restrictions. Click on the field force. Now go to the fields option and create a box field. Change its parameters like I am doing. Now I'll just change the size and position of our text. Now it's time for the real fun. As you can see, now it's looking pretty good. You can go for this look, but I want this to stick more to the edges. And to do that, we just have to increase the subdivision amount. In our case, we have to decrease the max length amount, hence increasing the subdivisions. And now you can see we are getting a better result than before, and now the splines are sticking better on the edges. Yeah, this is looking nice. You can go for this look or increase the number of splines to get even better result. And to do the morphing effect from one object to another or one text to another, we can just keyframe the text spline and everything works like a charm. As you can see, this is so much fun and easy to do, and yeah, It's nice. And to add some extra detail, you can use other forces like turbulence and change these settings to a lower amount, like this change the strength to 1 or 2 centimeters. The result is very subtle, but it is definitely adding extra detail. You can see if you use a higher strength value, it will go crazy. That's why I used a smaller strength value. Now it's just up to you, play with it, increase the spline counts, or add some extra forces and make it look good. You can add your own logo or the brand identity or whatever, animate it in a cool way. So yeah, that's all for now. I hope you really liked this video and you got to learn something. I get to learn something all the time. And yeah, that's all. That's the end of this video. Please go ahead and like or subscribe if you want. And if you want to support me, you can go ahead to my Patreon page and subscribe there as well. I'll be uploading more and more videos every week. And if you do subscribe me on Patreon, you will get videos earlier. So have fun. Goodbye.